to choose one favourite food in the whole wide world, it would be these fudgy brownies. They're so gooey and they've got these toasted walnuts on the top and this rich chocolatey flavour. We first introduced them to deli about 2 years ago and people have been completely obsessed with them. So when we started putting all our deli recipes into our cookbook for this summer, I thought, okay, everyone's going to want these, and it's been our #1 requested recipe. So I'm really excited to show you guys a little bit about how to make them. So to get started, all you need is to mix your flour. So we use a buckwheat flour, but you could use a plain flour if you don't like buckwheat flour. And we just mix that with some bicarb, which helps to make them fluffy, cacao powder, which is really nice and rich for the chocolate flavour, some coconut sugar, and mix that all up, so the dry ingredients, to make sure there are no lumps. And then once you've done that, you want to add your almond milk, although you could use a coconut milk instead if you don't eat almonds or you're allergic to nuts. Before you add your chia seeds, you just let them sit for about 10 minutes, mixed with water, and they make this kind of grey, sludgy, frog spawny mix, which to be honest is pretty unattractive, but you can't taste it. And because it's a vegan recipe, there aren't eggs in it, and that's what really helps stick it together, so you do really need it. So be patient and make sure it does get nice and thick like that. So once you add that in, you add the coconut oil, and again, just melt your coconut oil gently if it's not liquid already, depending on the temperature of your room. And then we're just gonna mix that all together and just keep stirring for a couple of minutes until it's really, really well combined and it's a really nice brownie batter. And then all you do is you just pour it into a lined baking tray, sprinkle it with walnuts, which gives the top just a nice crunch, a really nice texture, a bit of golden glow. And then we're just gonna bake it for 25 to 30 minutes until the top has a nice little crust on it and it's still a little bit gooey inside. You can always just stick a knife into the middle and just check it's cooked before you take it out, because the knife should come out clean. And then we just let it cool for about 10 minutes in its tray before taking it out, cutting them up and eating them all. This recipe, alongside all our daily recipes and all the recipes from supper clubs and events and things in the last couple of years, are going to be in our cookbook, the cookbook, and you can order it at half price at the moment in the link below.